Hi, today we are going to see how to fix microphone on Windows 10. So go to settings. From here, click on update and security. Then go to troubleshoot. Here click on additional troubleshooters. Here scroll down and find recording audio. Then run the troubleshooter. Then Windows will detect the problem of audio. You can find any problem, then you can go with this. Then click on next, and there is no problem, so troubleshooter could not find the problem. If the troubleshooter find a problem, then you can solve it. Then go to speech and run the troubleshooter. Here it will detect problems. Then select your device and you can set up the mic or skip. Then Windows will detect or identify the problem. So that's how to fix microphone in Windows 10. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.